Hello everyone, welcome back to the guy who trades. If you are here now, please take attention to the pun link in the chat box. I am the former prop trader at the bulge bracket desk, former portfolio manager at a systematic macro fund. And for the past several years, I've been teaching retail traders how to stop gambling and start trading with an edge. Now here's the thing. Every morning at 7 a.m., my phone buzzes with pre-bucket alert. Not from some $299 per month Bloomberg terminal, from a tool that costs $0. Yes, zero. I'm giving away a trading intelligence suit that institutional desk pays six figures for. Check the pan command. Check the pan comment. Click join free membership. Alright? No credit card, no trial period, just free. Why? Because spent more than decades watching Wall Street alpha while retail got fed crumbs. Today, we are flipping the scripts. Alright? Okay, let's take a look at yesterday's market. Let's get a review about yesterday's market. So what happened yesterday? What happened yesterday? It set the table for everything we are doing this morning. Alright, Wednesday, April 22nd, markets ripped, right? The Nasdaq surged 1.6% to a fresh record high. And S&P 500 up 1.1%, also a record. Dow added 320 points. Tech led the charge, right? Tech led the charge. And why? And here's why that matters for event-driven traders. We had a massive earnings avalanche after the close. Okay, can you see that on the presentation? The tech power. Nasdaq hit record high, right? Tech play a very important role in Nasdaq. The AI and the chip makers lead the rally. ARM have earned over 10% last night, and Micron is also earned almost 10%, 8%. The AI demand is accelerating. And the oil, the WTI crude oil is also rise over 3% too, as the US and Iran threaten global energy supplies. Well, both offensive and defensive sectors are rising. Were rising yesterday night. So yesterday is a really beautiful night, right? Okay, we can see that ARM is earned over 10% last night. We can take a look at here. So what our bullish point about ARM? Let's analyze this. But this is very easy to use, right? It's as easy as you can get it. You just click the link and then you get it, right? And then now you take a look at ARM. Put down the tickers, the symbol, and click analyze. Alright, when we wait for its opinion, we take a look at the trading view first. Trading view here. Okay, ARM. ARM holdings, right? It runs a lot, right? So what does the AI tell us? ARM surges to new high. RSI overbought suggests caution, right? ARM surged 12% yesterday, closing almost 200. Wow, it's amazing. But here for today, the volume enlarged a lot, and the RSI entered overbought zone. It's high risk now, right? High risk. So be cautious. Be cautious. Okay. And what about micro? What about micro? Let's take a look again. Two very fierce upward stop yesterday night. So if you want more stock like that, click the link and get this tool. You can also buy such a beautiful stock too. All right, MU, right, MU. Here we go. Micron Technology. What sort of real estate? It is a AI tool. It's a professional tool used by institutional trader. And lit and analyzation tool used by institutional trader. All right, can you see? Will you see that? Mercom. It is upward. It is upward trend, right? It just break the historical high, and the RSI just wanna enter the overbought zone. Here we go. M users the new high, right? RSI overbought signal caution. It's okay that it is still under trend, and it has a momentum. But we need to be careful that the RSI is almost enter the overbought zone. Maybe it still have some space, but the space probably is not very large. The space is not very big. All right. Okay, this is the map about yesterday market. Most of the tech stock, right, the tech sector were getting green yesterday, and they are the big tech stock too, like Microsoft, Nvidia, Apple, Google, Amazon, right? I won't analyze one by one for you because it is very easy that you click the link and I get this free tool. You can use this too. You just use this to analyze whatever you wanna know. All right, whatever stock you wanna know. I already show you ARM and the MU, right? So tonight you click the link, then you can do the same thing. All right. All right. About the headline. Let's talk about the headline. Tesla just reported after the bell, beat on both top and the bottom lines. Earning per share of 0.41 versus 0.37 expected. Revenue as $22.4 billion. But here's the event-driven twist. The stock initially popped 3.7% in after hours, then gave it all back. Why? Or Elon Musk warned that capital spending is going substantially higher for AI and robotaxi build-out. The market hates uncertainty, right? The market hates uncertainty. This is classic post-earning volatility, exactly what we trade. Okay, let's take a look at Tesla. Let's take a look at Tesla. Here we go. Right. It just break the downward trend several days ago, and now it is still underway. Still on the way to the moon, right? So it's okay. Tonight it give a large pullback. I think it is a chance for you to enter. All right. It has a beautiful financial report, but its stock price doesn't give any upward signal. It gives a pullback. So wait, we don't need to the life is falling, right? We don't need to be urgent. Just wait. Because the AI tool tells us that it is middle risk. So it's okay, right? It is okay. When the volume getting larger, it could be a good timing, alright? Alright, there are so many questions. Was it automatically? Yeah, sure, it is. You should type the symbol, the tickers you wanna know about, alright? Then you analyze it. It is instantly and automatically. More for trends or entries. This is something you need to learn first. Yes. Yeah, I think pick stocks or just if idea. Well, you pick the stock and let it tell you whether it is good enough. If you want stock picking, you click the link, join us. We have financial experts like me to pick stocks for you, alright, one by one. Maple view. No, if you want stock picking service, you click the link and join us. Then you will get the one-on-one get our expert or advisors. Have our financial experts serve on you one-on-one. Yeah, it's a VIP service, alright? You just click the link and be the VIP of us. That's all. Okay, someone asked about SOX. SOX, then analyzed by the AI here. Alright, SOX. Excuse me. It is not. It seems that it is not a. Well, it is a. It is a fund. SOS a fund, right? Right, it's an index. Okay, it's a. I got it. It's a Philadelphia Semiconductor Index. Wow, it's too strong, right? It's too strong. We very strong. This one. Felix Semiconductor Index still trending up or slow down? It's trending up. It's trending up, right? Yeah. Sem is still the best place to be right now. And just like the ETF, our AI tool analyzed the few semiconductor index ETF for you. Strong breakout with steady volume. Wow, steady volume, right? So it's middle risk. It's middle risk. Too strong. This index is too strong. And if you still think that there's some space to go up, you can follow the ETF SOXX. All right, SOXX here. If you think the field semis index could go higher, you can follow the ETF SOXX. Alright. They use tool to analyze AAOI. Yeah, sure. AAOI. Wait a minute. AAOI, right? AAOI. Just tell the AI what you want. Okay, and click analyze. Just like you click the link and get this tool. Very easy, right? Stocks, AAOI, applied optoelectronics, upward trend, and the RSI is not overbought. Consolidate high, right? RSI overbought? No, I don't think so. But AI is telling you a rational view. So what I am talking about is not that important. The most important thing is that the AI, this is a 100% rational, reasonable thinker, alright? So you need to be cautious now. It has a pullback, and when it reached the support level here, around 128, you can enter, alright? So let's keep up with the headline. Still here. Alright. Just wait for the pull back. Okay. Alright, the headlines. We just talked about Tesla, right? Let's talk about IBM and the service now. Both beat on earnings. Both got demolished after hours. IBM down 7%, service now down 13%. Why? Forward guidance. The market is pushing anything that smells like AI spending without immediate revenue payoff. This is your event-driven radar blinking red. Alright? So if you don't have any reason, and you always read the delayed news, you are always running after the market. You can be FOMO. What does FOMO mean? Fear of missing out. So you need a tool to give you a reason to trade. Alright? You trade with a reason, which means that you trade rationally. Alright? You trade like a professional trader, you trade like an institutional trader. Alright? Okay, I just talk about IBM. Let's take a look at IBM. This IBM. It is also a famous stock, right? And now, at this point, so what does our View AI tool tells you? IBM's volume surge support bullish momentum. Wow, that's cool. That's really cool. Right? And it is middle risk. if you're gonna have this stock around this range, you have a very good profit to lose ratio. All right, you have a, for example, if you enter here around, it get down now, it's get down, and here I think here is the support level, right? If you enter here, enter tonight about 230, all right. There are not many spaces for it to go down, go lower. For example, if you are expected it go down 5% and go up 15%, so you have a 3-to-1 profit to loss ratio. So why not? All right. Yeah, I just teach you how to plan your trade. Now it is still less than 1 hour to open the market. Right, it is still less than 1 hour to open. So you have enough time to plan your trade. Then when the market is opening, you just trade your plan. It's easy. Very easy, right? So as easy as you get our AI and analytical tool. You click the link, then you get this. No cost. Why not? Why not? What a good thing. You don't lose anything. And then you earn a very useful tool for you to trade. All right. IBM here should be good. Yeah, should be good here. Here's a range. It was going up and down, up and down, up and down, and down tonight, right? Down tonight. Give you a very good way to enter. And then when you go up, you take a look at this resistance level here. If it won't break this level, it will go down again. You just sell it and wait for the pullback again. If it breaks this level with volume enlarged and stand stably, then it will go up higher. All right. But now we are doing short-term trade. So now it's time to enter, not time to long. You just long it and wait for the price reaction. The price action tells you what you gonna plan to trade. That's all. Okay, another beautiful stock, GE Vernova. GE Vernova. Oh, sorry, I didn't switch the mode. Okay, I analyze IBM for you again. Well, firstly, the blue view, our AI analytical tool, tells you that volume surge and support bullish momentum, right? If you are doing momentum trade, and now it is middle risk. Tonight, pre-market, it gives you a pullback chance to enter. Around here, around 230, it is the support level. You can enter and then trade it. And then when it go up, you can sell it. That's all. Just plan your trade. There's still almost 1 hour before the market opens. Is that okay? Okay, another one. GE Vernova up over 13% on a monster bit. Its earning per share of 18 and 44 versus 1.95 expected. That's not a bit, it is an explosion. God damn it. It is an explosion. Energy infrastructure is hard, but because energy infrastructure is hard because AI data centers need power. Yeah, it is what I just told you yesterday night. AI generate many demand of many aspects, right? Especially electricity. And the AI data center needs power, needs electricity. So the GE Vernova, Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look at what does AI gonna tell you about GEV analysis, and we take a look at trading view. GE Vanova. Damn it! What the boom! What the explosion! It got an outstanding earning per share, almost 10 times than expected. It is not a bit, it's an explosion. Alright, energy infrastructure. And then you can see the price. Come on. It has already over 1,000 per share and still keep going up. Yeah, of course, we can read it. We can read the data that the RSI is absolutely overbought. And our AI analyst just told us that GEV shows to new high, RSI verbal signal caution. Yeah, that's right? Too high, too expensive, but it is really a good company. It's really a good stock, cause it earn a lot of money. It's earn a lot of money. Oh gosh. If you hold it for a long term, right? Maybe not that long. 1 year is enough. 1 or 2 years is enough. It almost 10 times, right? It's almost 10 times. Alright. Too good to be true. Too good to be true. Okay. And the macro backdrop, Brent crude is holding above 100 a barrel. Geopolitical tensions with Iran are still simmering. Gold hit $4,070 and $60. The 10-year yield sits at 4.25%. It's okay. We don't do that much global macro trade, but we need to know it. Alright? We need to know what happened in the global macro economy. Macro economy. Right? Alright. Come on, just try it. The link is on the top of the chat box. You can't lose anything. You don't need to cost any dollars. You just click the link, then you get this tool. That's what professional trader like me always doing, alright? MU surged 8% yesterday, and the memory chip prices rose 70%. Is that true? Well, this lead to price increase for computers and mobile phones. Yeah, cost driven. MU. MU search. Yeah, you can use this 24 hour and 7 day. Anytime, anywhere. Anytime. Anywhere. Alright. Well, I think so. MU is still a worthwhile investment. Yeah, it could be a pullback. SNDK. Let's take a look at SNDK. Okay. All right. Someone asked about SNDK. Almost hit 1,000. Yeah. Every time when the stock gets close to a, how to say, gets close to a key number, yeah, it probably pulls back. Things like that, things like here, things like 300, right? 300 here is close to 300, then get a pullbacks, all right? And here 700, 700 here, it gets a pullback, it gets a pullback again, and here through it broke the resistance level, it gets pullbacks again. So here is close to 1,000 and closer yesterday night, right? Probably when close to 1,000, probably a pullback, all right? And our AI tool just show you that the volume is lagging. Volume lagging, which means that the momentum is weakening. Alright? Volume lagging, which means that momentum is weakening. Probably a pullback, especially close to a key number, just like 1,000. This volume lagging, which means the momentum is weakening. So let's come back to our presentation. So I'm gonna ask a question. Is anyone of you click the link? Feels so good, right? Wonderful, wonderful experience, right? You have a professional trader stand by you all the time, 24 hours and 7 days, anytime, anywhere. You can read it via your phone, you can read it via your laptop and desktop, right? Okay, let's come back to our presentation. Now I'm running a family office and I'm gonna share with you that the approach a family office used to do the everyday trading. First, the system over instinct. Right? Every trade requires a predefined setup. Entry and exit, zero exceptions. Consistent, the more consistent than home run. Right? You need a system, and this system need to be fit your characters. And secondly, a superior risk management. Minimize event exposure and a strict risk architecture. Surviving volatility is more important than predicting it. Alright? The three conceptual overlay, striping away the noise, focus purely on clean technical price action, liquidity grabs, and momentum. All of that is what I talking about all the day. And frankly speaking, I'm a human being, right? I can't stay with you all the time. I can't live with you, right? But this AI tool, it almost can do whatever you want. It supports US stock, Hong Kong stock, Taiwan stock, and Japan stock, and Asian market. Well, we focus on the US stock, right? So you don't need to worry about that. Any tickers in the US stock market, you can provide for AI tool, then it tells you the answer. It gives you a good reason to trade. Whether you're gonna buy it or sell it or stay away with it with cash in hand, right? It always needs a reason. Alright, the last one is dynamic allocation. Family office needs to know exactly when to trade indexes versus individual equities based on overall market volatility. Alright. And the institutional secret is that event-driven trading, you need a catalyst, right? The catalyst, things like earnings surprises, regulatory shift, M&A announcement, geopolitical shocks, and the event. Pricing in the efficiency report. The event will give the institutional execution, right? And why retail fails at event-driven markets? We always talk about event-driven because we need a reason, right? We need to find a catalyst to trade. Because the retail traders scans delayed news. The Wall Street ad is things like that. You use the bull view. You are not only get a reason to trade, you have instant market insight, right? You apply dynamic and real-time risk management. You can filter out the noise automatically just by our tool, just by our AI tool. All right. Okay, enter the bull view market insight, your institutional grade AI trading system. You can get real-time AI stock diagnosis, instant fundamental and technical evaluation. Alright? And then you can also get a sentimental analysis across the global news and social feeds. And then you can also have predictive event-driven triggers. That's what our AI tool Bull View Market Insight gonna share with you. So just escape the trading hell, okay? You can have such a thing on your phone. You click the link, then you get it without any cost. No credit card, okay? No credit card without any cost. Just click it. Then you can have such a app in your phone. All right. Got it? This is what it looks like when it's on your phone. Okay? So the live streaming have a pan link in the chat. Just click it and get this tour. You will enjoy it and you will say thank you to me. You have this stock tour, this data driven analysis. It is a smarter decision. And you can also get WhatsApp one-on-one guidance. Financial expert Q&A. Alright? All free, no cost, no credit card. Alright? By the way, it is almost 9 o'clock. Let me share with you some pre-market news. Firstly, Lockheed Martin. We talked about it during the war, right? Because it's a defensive stock. Let's see. Consensus earning per share is $6.8. With geopolitical tension alleviating, any commentary on backlog or guidance move the stock. Let's take a look at LMT, right? LMT analyzes, and then we take a look at trading view. Lockheed Martin. Oh, it's going down a lot. Going down a lot. High risk oversold with heavy volume near support. Yeah, near the support, oversold. And here RSI tells you that it's oversold, right? You can read the data, you can read the chart that oversold. It gets lower again. It's a downward trend. So just wait for it stands stable. Alright, it is not a support level. Support level should be here, around 500. Support level should be here, around 500. Then you can enter. Yeah, of course you can short it. You can go short selling it. Alright. The war between the US and Iran is not getting more serious. And there is always a peace talk between them, right? So that kind of defensive stock could be get weaker. Okay, another one. Freeport-McMoRan, copper miner. This is also this is also one of my favorite stock because I'm gonna share with you a fundamental reason. Alright, McMoRan. It goes up a lot. It goes up a lot. RSI overbought. Alright. Well, what does our AI and analyst tell us? Such near 60-day high, almost a historical high, right? RSI overbought, high risk. Yeah, for sure. You can see that it's overbought. So we need to wait. But in the long term, it is a great stock. You know why? What did I say just now? Firstly, AI need power, right? AI need power and electricity. And copper is one of the important material, the raw material of power, of electricity, right? So this is the fundamental reason that FCX should be a great stock, a great company in the long run, right? In the future. So we don't need to be urgent. We don't need to be urgent to enter this stock, to own these stocks, to own this share. We just wait for a pullback, right? Now, yeah, actually tonight is the pullback, right? In the pre-market, it is getting lower. Here is a supporting level, I think, because here is a gap. If it won't break this gap, it will stand stable. If it breaks this gap, it can get lower. So around here. Yeah, a great stock. If a great stock has a lower price, that's fantastic, right? That's fantastic. Okay, another one. Another one. Let's take a look at Nokia. Nokia. So anyone has used Nokia telephone before? It's a traditional store, telecom equipment. NOK, right? Let's take a look at NOK. Wow. What a strong upward trend. And you can see that's still middle risk. It goes up a lot. Double in the season, right? It doubles in the season. However, the RSI is not overbought, right? The RSI is not overbought, and it come down now, and now it come again, relatively historical high, right? There is a beautiful pattern that is just like a cup. Is that? Can you see that? Is it just like a cup? Here is a cup cradle. You hold the cup. So every time you see the pattern like this, you can enter. You can earn this money here. All right. Very beautiful pattern. So if you click the link in our chat room, you get this tour. Then you have a reason to trade, right? It tells you what does NOK look like, and then you have a one-on-one financial advisor serve you, just like me. I'm one of them. Okay. We will tell you about the stock. We will analyze the stock. All right. So it's really perfect. Come on. Okay, keep going. Okay, open this tool. I just told you that calling, right? Click the link, then you can get it. It's easy, very easy. As easy as you use it. Just give the ticker and then you can get an analyzation outcome. Nvidia is still running stronger than anyone chasing this move. Okay, let's take a look at this popular one. Nvidia. Every night has somebody ask about it. So it's too popular. Yeah, it is strong. Here we go. However, it is still trading in the range. And here is a resistance level. Here is a resistance. So bull view. I just told you that RSI overbought and it is high risk now. So I think you can find another undervalued stock. You can find another potential stock. You don't need to focus on the popular one all the time. Yeah, it is good. It's great. It's a good company, but it's too popular. It is too popular. Yeah. All right. Here's the event-driven framework. We are not predicting the earnings. How could I know the earnings of a company, right? We are trading the reaction to the earnings. So we take a look at the reaction. For example, we just talked about the LMT, right? The market reaction is quite bad. It is getting lower and lower, right? The market reaction is bad. In the pre-market is going down. So probably tonight we'll go lower. But it's okay that It's fair enough that the RSI is in the oversold zone. It gets close to the bottom. It gets close to the bottom. So around here, you need to pay more attention to LMT. Okay, this is an example. And the other one, I just talk about is FCX, right? I show this again. I show them to you again. Analysis by the blue view, and then find out the chat, in trading view. You can combine these two tools to use together. All right. One to find a reason, the other one to look for a good pattern, right? So what's the price action, the price reaction to the earning of FCX? It is going down a lot, right? Because it is close to the top. So we don't trade it now, right? From the top, just falling down. The top jump. It is not as good as LMT. LMT has already gone down for a lot. Has already gone down for a lot, and the other side indicates oversold. So it's okay to buy this one. I prefer LMT to FCS. Fair enough. All right. Apple start get no momentum. Let me see Apple. Okay, let's take a look what our bull view analyst gonna tell you about Apple. Yeah, you're right. Okay, let me answer that question and read the NVIDIA is too popular. It is traded in range. I think there are many other potential stocks better trading with better momentum. Right. Tesla moving like crazy today. Hard to read it. Tesla is giving a pull. Tesla is pulling back on the upward trend. You know what I mean. Okay. Oh well. Let's let them half an hour to the market open. Let's take a nap. Okay. Let's take a break. Okay. So during the break, please don't hesitate to click the link and get this tool before the market open. You can trade better. You can trade better than before. Alright. Don't hesitate to click it. Okay. Okay, see you soon. Let's take a break. Alright, I'm back. How's you guys? Come on. There's just a quarter before the market open. Let's hit up. Okay? Let's get ready for the opening. Alright, let's take a look. Before we talk about more about the market, about the tickers, let's keep on our presentation. So, the unfair advantage, why AI wins? I think, well, it is unfair, but it is also reasonable. Okay, the speed. Firstly, the speed. AI processes thousands of data points, earnings, transcript, and alternative data in milliseconds. So it's always faster than you. And the scope. AI detects underlying sentiment, fear, urgency, institutional accumulation, long before it shows up on the tape. And the precision. AI adapts to real-time volatility. Alright? So that's what our blue will show you. Alright? You give it the ticker, it analyzes for you. And there's a lot of advisors here, include me. So for you, it's not just a tool, it's not just robot. It is a team, a professional team, a financial advisors team here. Alright? You just click the link and get it, you read it by yourself. I don't wanna talk about it too much. Okay? Okay, the smart money community, elite retail traders, enter the Blueview Center AI Hub, and it can trade like institutional traders. This is upgrading. This is upgrading for you. So who's inside? Traders seeking a scalable edge who refuse to fly blind in a volatile event-driven market. All right, and the investment philosophy is that AI doesn't replace human judgment. Right? It can replace what you are thinking. It augments it. It makes you stronger. So Blueview cuts the noise so you can pull the trigger with total confidence. Understand? Can get it? Blueview as AI, it augments it. It cuts the noise. It filters the noise. There are too much noise in the market, right? So you can pull the trigger with total confidence. This is what we are doing now. Alright. It's very easy. You click the link and you can get AI diagnosis in the pre-market, and then you can get the catalyst. You have the logic of the event. Then you have a plan, right? Your plan to your trade. So when the market opens, you just trade your plan. That's all, and that's it. So our Blueview is an AI setup that work on your phone, not just a Bloomberg terminal. It's a mini one. It's a mini Bloomberg terminal. It has also the market inside, what moved, why it moved, and exactly what I am watching next. It's just what I'm talking about here, right? As a human being, I can talk about all of the important news to you at the same time. I just picked the important one, but you can read it through our AI tool, all of that, and then it can analyze it for you. The most important thing is that you click the link and join our group. You are our VIP member. You have the advisory consultant. This is you can ask any specific questions. I will give you an unfiltered, honest take. Alright? Okay, Blueview is desk in your pocket. It's a desk in your pocket. Raw market data, order flow, global liquidity, momentum factors. All of it filtered by Blueview, filtered by this architecture. And then in your phone, you get a wonderful conclusion. and the market inside the narrative before the number. All right. Okay. Trading is a battle with your mind. Knowing why a market move prevents you from fighting the trend or getting shaken out by volatility. So you need it. You need the market insight. The market insight give you a good reason, give you a logical reason to trade. Is that clear? Well, nothing but trading. Well, my friend, nothing but trading. Yeah, in some perspective, from some perspective, AI is definitely stronger than human. Things like the speed, the scope, the precision. Yeah, that's true. But something like experience, AI might not probably not replace human being. That's okay. Yeah, the bull view is better than me. What I'm talking about is not important, but if you have this one, it's okay. Yeah. AVGO just grinding higher, like nothing happened. Okay, AVGO. You analyze here, you know what happened. Okay, give AVGO to bull view, and things like before AVGO here, broken. Yeah, go up a lot yesterday. Today is okay. We just break the historical high and enter overbought zone. That's the high risk now. Now it's high risk. That's what AVGO. Okay, AVGO is just broke its historic high and this RSI show overbought signal. Be cautious. Be cautious now. Is there something you explain more in the group? Yeah, sure. PLTR popping again. Meta still climbing, not sure. Okay. Meta. Most of my friends who work in hedge fund like this stock, it's a big tech stock. It's a big tech stock, right? Meta platform. Let's take a look. Well, actually the chart is not as beautiful as it. Alright, overbought, and this is a long-term downward trend. Alright. Not as beautiful as the other tech stock. So what's more is that RSI is close to the overbought here, so just avoid it. Okay, just avoid it. It's a good company. Yeah, sure, it's a good company. Meta is on a long-term downward trend. Though it is a great company. We feel quite again. Yeah, not doing much kind of that. Alright. So our advisory consultant is your personal desk. You click the link and be our member. You can book a one-on-one direct access via the link. All right. There's unfiltered feedback. Bring your question, your failing system, or your current equity curve. We will fix your IPS. We will refine your internal investment policy statement and eliminate the competency gaps holding you back. All right. So this AI tools values that first smart analysis. You enter the ticker and then you get an instant deep stock, deep report. And then you have a real-time monitoring. I said it again and again. It's 24-hour and 7-day alert. Never miss a move. Anytime, anywhere. Okay? Anytime, anywhere. No cost, no credit card. That's it. And you can also get a buy or sell signals. AI entry and exit. Catch trends. Catch the trends. So this core value is that you judge trends, no guessing, no formal. It's data driven only. Alright? Gonna make sense. Yeah, sure. Catherine, thank you. Yeah, just get it. It's free. You won't lose anything. If you don't like it, you won't lose anything. You just need to click it and then feel it and then use it. That's all. That's all. You don't need to do anything. You won't lose anything. Alright? Alright, zero cost, total free, tool free, guidance free, no hidden tricks, no fees, no upgrades, no fine print. Click, auto deliver, automatic. Okay? Forever free. Alright? It's forever free. Yeah, you can use it to check global stocks, of course. It is a global traders tool, alright? It is designed for global trader. Come on. The market is gonna open, so we need to focus on the market right now, alright? So don't hesitate to click the link. I don't want to say it again and again. We need to come back to practice. We need to take a look at the market now. All right. So we just talked about LMT. Okay, let's take a look at it again. LMT. It's going downward. Okay, market is gonna open. Let's enjoy it. It opens very low, right? And as a day trader, we don't need to be formal. In the very first 5 minutes, we take a look at. We just focus on the trend, okay? It's getting lower and lower. Let's see where it will go tonight, okay? And the FCX. Go down a lot, right? Go down a lot. The daily chart, right? Oh, it just swallowed the gap, the previous gap here. It is a good signal, I think. But the RSI doesn't enter the oversold zone. So Still some space to get lower, maybe to here. Okay, if you don't buy it, we don't short it too. It goes down a lot. So let's come back to MT. Bounce expected. Okay, our AI tool just told you that LMT oversold with heavy volume. Bounce expected. It could be a bounce. Alright. Hey, can you see that RSI overbought, right? Overbought here. It is a good signal. And now it's giving you a chance. Maybe, probably here. Here it is the support level. Could be lower. Could be lower. But now you got a very big profit to loss ratio. You can enter now. Yeah, you can enter now and set your stop loss. Of course, you don't forget to set the stop loss around. It's about maybe 2% to 500 and 509. Yeah, the next support level. I think this time it's fair enough. It's fair enough here. We just wait. The very first beginning, we don't trade. We just see whether it is a good chance to enter. All right, this is LMT. So any stock you wanna analyze by this tool, I can show you how to use it, and then you can click the link and get it and use it by yourself. It's easy. Okay, before the trend get apparent, let's come back to our presentation. The what's free? We don't have many costs too. We don't make money while selling AI tool. All right, we enjoy sharing. We wanna share that kind of useful thing with you. All right, so how could we make money? We make money while trading. Okay, we are full-time trader. We earn the big move from the market, so we don't sell anything. We are not sales, we are trader. All right, okay, the market is already open. It is about event driven trading. Well, firstly, you need a catalyst, right? Go up or go down, and then in the very first 5 minutes to 10 minutes, you find out a breakthrough, you find out a trend, and then there's a directional momentum. Just follow the trend and earn some money, then quit when the trend is ending, then quit. This is what we do every day. First, you need a catalyst, then you follow the trend, you find out the breakthrough, right? Okay, what about Nokia? What about Nokia? If I give you a brand new opinion, let's take a look at Nokia. Wow, it goes up a lot. It goes up a lot, right? Come on, man. It's overbought. Actually, yesterday, if you heard my live stream yesterday, I would have told you. I have already said that. I've already said that. Nokia has an upward trend and give you a pullback. Give you a pullback chance to enter. Upward trend with a pullback is a good day to enter, right? It's a good timing, and then you can earn money today. All right, you earn money today. And even though the RSI overbought, it's still middle risk. It's still middle risk. Let's take a look at the 1 minute range. Going so high that we don't need to be formal. Okay. What about the other one? The big one. Let's take a look at the big one. Intel. Intel. Wow. What a good trend. Absolutely, it is a good day today for Intel. It has a trend that looks like an okay Nokia, right? Our trend with the pullback yesterday give you a good timing to enter, and today is also good time. It has already a trend, right? Don't chase it. It's definitely that today has a upward trend, and now it's gonna pull back. When it pull back to around 67, you can enter it. All right, you can enter it. Intel, beautiful today. Yeah, very good signal to do day trade. Oh, Intel here. Oh, can you see that? Right, Intel. Upward trend with the pullback. When it comes down to 67 around here, you can enter to search on the trend. All right, beautiful trend. Okay, just wait for it. Wait for a beautiful pullback. Maybe around 67. Then enter and hold the trend. So what about NOK and MT? Let's take a look again. Lockheed Martin, right? Wow. Obviously, the bottom is close. It's close to the bottom. It is also an upward trend, right? Most importantly is that from the daily chart we can see that it is oversold. It has already been oversold, right? Oversold, and now it's going up. It's now going up. Why? You know why? When everybody sold, there's nobody sold anymore, right? Everybody sold it, nobody sold anymore. So it's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. So I think it's good timing to buy Lockheed Martin for defensive purpose, and the Intel for short-term trade. All right. Intel again. Let's take a look. Right. The pullback is too small, which means that the trend is too strong. The trend is too strong. All right. Come on, our bull view, the air tool has already told you anything, right? Can you see that? So what about Nokia? Let's take a look at Nokia again. What about Nokia? Yeah, it's gonna go down. It's gonna go down. Because it's too high in front. Hey, can you see that? Though it is a upward trend, it is overbought, right? It's gonna go down. From the long run, when it go down, it's still good time to enter. But in short term, from a daily chart, I think you don't enter it like you don't enter it now. Alright? It's a downward trend now. Okay? So anyone click the link? Anyone click the link? Enjoyable, right? So when you click the link, you get this full view for free. This is an AI tool, give you rational and logical reason. Alright? And from me, I'm the advisory, one-on-one guidance to you. One-on-one guidance to you. I can see that downward trend. Not here. Okay, let's take a look at RMT again. It's very easy to use that. It give you a pullback to enter. Okay? Just combine bull view with trading view. Alright. Just combine both of them together. You can be a better trader. Come on. You can see that RMT oversold bounce potential with extreme RSI. The RSI of RMT is too extreme, right? This is for defensive. I use this tool very smoothly. Some of our friends also suggest give such an experience too. So any one of that, come on, just get it. Alright, Della asked, which stock do you think will perform better tonight? I just said it. I just told you that LMT, right? What I'm showing on the screen is LMT. LMT could be perform better than Intel. Alright? One for defensive and one for offensive. Alright, let's take a look at Intel. Go up a lot. If it gives you a correction, you can enter to surf on the trend. Alright, just surf on the trend. It's an obvious trend. Okay, what about medical stock? Let's take a look at a less popular one. Ever Life Science. Ever Life Science. So keep the ticker for bull view. It analyzes for you. Then we take a look in trading view. Ever License Corporation. Let's take a look. Well, daily chart first. It has no trend, right? It has no trend. It has no trend. It is in the range. It's in the range. Up and down, right? What about 1 minute? 1 minute chart. Where the trend is not obvious, right? The daily chart has no trend, so let's just pass it. It's not as risk as the tech stock because the tech stock is too high. But without risk, they're also not profitable, right? EW consolidate with low volume. The volume is too low. Wait for breakout. Okay, this is a professional advice for you. Just wait. The breakout should be here. Almost 88. Alright. We go up to break this level with volume getting larger. It's okay to enter. Alright. So if you don't ask me any ticker, I will show you what I'm looking at. What about let me see. Oh, FCX. Let's take a look again at FCX. It seems that it's then stable. Alright, just swallow the gap and then cut, went up again. It seems that it's then stable. You know why? In the daily chart, in the weekly chart, let's see, in the weekly chart, it is an absolutely upward trend. Pullbacks a lot, went up a lot. So I think this is a healthy correction. All right, it is a healthy correction. The better timing should be when RSI get lower. Okay. Yeah, very interesting and very easy to use. Just click the link and have it. Okay, fair enough. All right, let's talk about the strategy. Let's go on the strategy. There are 4 rules of the event-driven edge: systematic execution over emotional prediction. You know, what I just talked about is that you need a catalyst, right? You need to identify the catalyst. So who can give you the catalyst? If you search by yourself on the internet, most of the time you read the delayed news, right? What if you have the bull view? You got the market insight, right? Market insight is gonna tell you the catalyst, all right? Secondly, you need to know what is the difference between expectation and reality. Without a tool, you trade emotionally. So you always trade your trading is based on what you expect, right? But most of the time your expectation is not fit for the reality. And our AI is not emotional. It show you the data, it show you the reality. Okay. Third, it is the technical confluence. Align with the chart. A catalyst in a vacuum is noise. The event must align with the critical technical level. Alright? A major support or resistance zone or a high volume profile. Okay, last one is the risk defined entry. Capital preservation is first. Alright? We are not very rich. We need to protect our capital. So always remember to set a stop loss. Okay, this is what I just said now. Wait for 5 minutes, find out the range. When the range is breakthrough, then enter it, right? So we don't trade in the very first 5 minutes to 10 minutes. We wait for a trend. We wait for a breakthrough. We wait for a breakout. Just like this, it's a range, right? When it has a full body candle break, you can enter and stay in the trend. Then earn money. That's all. You earn a little money every night or every day. That's enough for the whole year. You just calculate it. How many money you can earn, right? Without an AI tool, you earn the money by chance, right? With the AI tool, you earn the money by reasons. Okay, you always have a reason to trade. The most important thing is that this AI tool is free. This AI tool has no cost. It costs you nothing. You just click it and have it. That's all. Why? Why not? Why not? Okay, let's come back to the market again. Hey, can you see that? Can you see that? The FCS is stand stable, right? It is stand stable. Just like this, what I'm gonna tell you that don't do anything in the very first 5 minutes. And then there's a large body candlestick breakout. You can enter and wait. And don't forget to set a stop loss. Alright? This is what we are doing. So I show you how to use the book view. I show you how to combine it with the trading view. I am teaching you how to tell the trend. I'm teaching you how to trade in a very short term, right? This is the advisory. This is the financial advisory one-on-one. And now I'm a service to the live stream. And if you click it and join our group, being the VIP member, you can ask me any question about the market. That's all. Very easy, right? Let's take a look again, the LMT. Oh, it come down again, right? So always say that don't forget to set the stop loss, but it's okay. It's okay in the long run. It correct for a long time, several months, almost 2 months, right? Almost 2 months. Most importantly, RSI is oversold here. You can see that. Here is oversold. Here is a divergence, right? And you can also wait for the divergence too. You can wait for the divergence. Let me show you. Here's divergence, right? The price going lower, RSI is going higher. RSI is going higher. This is divergence. Then divergence is a signal that it's quite hard for you to find divergence all over the market by yourself. All right. But as a full-time trader, when I find out this divergence, and when the bull view, the AI analyst tells me, we can show that to you. So you can find out the divergence, trading trends by us, by the bull view, right? Free. All right. After the divergence, there's a trend upward, right? Beautiful. And here is also, so here you can wait for the divergence too. You don't need to be urgent. Here is overbought. When the RSI go up and go down without a lowest point, when the price getting lower, then it is a divergence. You can enter around here. It's okay, right? 520, they're under profit. Crystal clear? Oh, sorry. That's it. Oh, so how times fly. I gotta leave now because I still have many other jobs to do, many other works to do. I need to trade. I need to trade futures. Alright? Gonna say goodbye to you again. So before I quit, please don't hesitate to click the link and get this wonderful tour. Alright? Please don't forget to click the link. Always remember that it is free. It costs you nothing. It costs you nothing. You just click it and get it. That's all. Alright? So any other question? Come on, come on. When I quit the chat room, you don't have chance to get this free tool anymore. Alright? There are 0 minutes left. 0 minutes left. I really gonna quit to trade my own money, to run my family office. Okay. So any questions? Any tickers? Any tickers? Alright, I give you a chance to ask me one ticker, the last ticker, to analyze. Okay? The last ticker, I'm gonna ask it. Last minute, last ticker, last chance to show you how to use Bull View. So if nobody here, I'm gonna quit. Alright, ASTI, alright, ASTI. So no other ones, no other one. I'm gonna show you what ASTI gonna action. AXTI, right? Give your ticker here, click analyze. What a beautiful trend, right? What a beautiful upward trend. And the Bull View tells you that it's middle risk. And tonight, I give you a pullback again. Right? Pullback without RSI overbought. I think it's a good time to enter. Maybe the pullback could be larger, but I think on an upward trend, any pullback is a chance to enter. Alright? Don't chase the price. Buy any dip. If there's a dip, buy the dip. That's all. Okay? STI, yeah. It's not moving. It's moving down. Okay? the tech sectors are all moving down. So last minute for you to click the link and get this free view. After that, you don't have any chance today. All right? It's free, come on. It costs you nothing. Yeah, absolutely it is accurate. Come on. Bullview is using the instant data. It's accurate. Alright. Gonna say goodbye again. So anyone has already clicked the link and get full view, just enjoy the wonderful experience. Just enjoy your experience of using it. Alright? So anyone hasn't clicked the link, you need to wait for the other time. Okay? I don't know when. Okay. Goodbye anyone. Goodbye everyone.